Imagine this scenario. You discover a new token called Swipe Coin. The hype is building. You check the chart and it is moving vertically. Green candles everywhere. You check the basic security audits and everything seems green. No warnings. No alerts. So you decide to invest. You watch your portfolio double, then triple. You feel like a genius. But then you decide to take some profits. You go to sell, and the transaction fails. You increase the slippage. It fails again. Panic sets in. You realize you can watch your money grow, but you can never touch it. You have just walked into a honeypot. Welcome to ArcOfLife AI. Today we are not looking at charts. We are going behind the scenes, directly into the Solidity source code, to show you exactly how scammers engineer these traps. What you see on my screen is the actual code of a honeypot contract. To the untrained eye, this looks like a standard ERC20 token. It has a name, a symbol, and a supply. But hidden deep within these lines is a malicious mechanism designed to steal your funds legally. Let's perform a forensic analysis. I'm scrolling down to the core transfer logic. This is the engine of the token. Every time you buy or sell, this specific block of code executes. Look closely at line 125. It seems innocent enough, if underscore swapping. In legitimate DeFi projects, variables like this are used to manage liquidity pools or handle taxes during a swap. Scammers know this. They use familiar variable names to trick auditors and automated scanners. But here is the catch. This Boolean variable acts as a gatekeeper. The logic says, if swapping is enabled, check if the sender is excluded from fees. Since you, the investor, are not on the whitelist, this condition blocks your transaction. It literally forbids the blockchain from processing your sell order. It is not a bug. It is a feature designed to lock you in. Now let's try to compile this code to see if it actually works. I am going to the Solidity compiler tab. Watch what happens. I click compile, and we get a red alert. This error is crucial. It tells us that the code dictates a specific version of Solidity, version 0.8.19, but our environment is set to a newer version. In the world of smart contracts, even a minor version mismatch can change how the bytecode is generated. To fix this, we need to match the environment to the code. I am manually selecting version 0.8.19 from the compiler history. Now let's try again. Compiling, and there it is, the green check mark. The code is valid. This confirms that the trap is syntactically correct and ready to be deployed to the blockchain. We are now moving to the deployment phase. This is where we simulate launching the token to the Ethereum network. I click deploy, but we hit another roadblock. The system says, this contract may be abstract. This is a common mistake that reveals how these contracts are structured. If you look at the contract field, you will see it selected context by default. Context is just a helper file, a skeleton. It is not the token itself. We need to instruct the Remix IDE to deploy the main contract file, named Swipe. I am changing the target file now. Let's hit deploy one more time. Success. Down below, you can see the transaction is confirmed. The contract is live on our local simulation network. This is the moment of truth. What you are seeing now is the developer's control dashboard. This is the interface only the scammer can see. Look at this orange button, Set Swap State. Currently the trap is dormant. People would be able to buy and sell freely, building up confidence and volume. But watch closely. I am typing true into the input field. The moment I click this button, the trap snaps shut. Transaction confirmed. The variable is now set to true. From this exact second, selling is mathematically impossible for anyone except the owner. The funds are trapped and the scam is complete. Don't let clean code fool you. Verify before you trust. This is ArcOfLife AI signing off. So let's recap. Knowing the theory is simple, but execution is where people fail. You must pay attention to technical details like strict PDF compliance, digital signature validation, and exact timestamp alignment. Modern bureaucratic systems are automated. If your data doesn't cross-reference perfectly with the central registry, your application is rejected instantly. You often don't get a second chance without paying fees again. This is a serious warning. Watch what you are doing. One missed deadline or format error can cause months of delays. Do not risk a DIY approach unless you are absolutely sure. If you want to avoid the stress, contact us at ArcOfLife AI. We navigate these systems daily and ensure your documentation is flawless so you don't have to worry. Check the link in our bio for more. Please note this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For your specific situation, always consult a professional.